Hi, Haley Friedman here. I'm going to give you a walking tour of 2033 Humboldt Avenue. I'll post this on the MLS so that those of you who want to see inside, maybe you're too far away to attend the open house, this will help you. If you'd like to come and view it in person, tomorrow, July 24th, and Sunday, July 25th, from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., you can come and see it in person. Or you can schedule an appointment with your real estate agent. So if you're a buyer and you're looking to relocate to Davis, this is in the West Davis area in West Gate neighborhood, and it is filled with families and fun and lots of activity. So let's go ahead and head on in. Great porch, red door, and we walk in to a great room. Plenty of storage. So standing here at the end of the entryway, we have the front room. There's the front door. We've got a room off to that side. A bonus room could be a fourth bedroom, or it could be a den or activity room, office. There's the kitchen, dining area. And let's head down the hall. We've got an indoor laundry with a vent. And we've got central heating and air, smart thermometer, or thermostat, I should say. Nice big bedroom, mirrored closet doors. Then you've got the master bathroom and another room. All the rooms have the mirrored wardrobes. The bathroom's at the end of the hall here. It's a shub tower. It is a tub shower, not a shub tower. It's been a long day. And here's the master. So the 3 bedrooms on this side. It's got built-ins, which gives you a lot of room here. Got the master, also a tub shower combo. Nice double doors that head out to the backyard where you can take a swim. Covered patio. There's a good sized yard. You have a couple of dogs for a dog run. There's storage. And let's go see that 4th bonus room. This is a queen. I mean, there is a ton of room in here. 3 separate ways to enter the backyard. One of them is from this bonus room. Down at the other end of the house is the master. The pool's a fiberglass pool, which is really soft for your feet. It's very user-friendly. And the kitchen has a door that goes out. And then here's the kitchen area. This here is just a furniture piece, so you can put a center island in like that if you wanted. The door off the kitchen, covered patio. Again, down at the end is the master and the swimming pool. kitchen window, see the pool. Newer appliances, the washer and dryer go with it as well. So there you have it. Beautiful 2033 Humboldt Avenue in West Davis, California. My favorite is the porch. I love a good porch. The garage has been converted, but you're still able to open it, and there's enough room for your bikes, storage, and things like that. It's about 3 feet deep in, and it's the full length there. Water heater is also there. Nice big yard, big sycamore tree, and right across from school and park.